Hello, today you're looking at a Torit Donaldson 4000 CFM dust collector brought to you by Lanco. It's been tested and checked out, is in great working condition. Overall dimensions 98 inches length, 48 inches width, 152 inches high. This does have a reverse pulse filter cleaning system, as you can see right over here. This will need 8 new filters on it, and we'll get this started for you right now. Great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call here at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.